How to lock your Facebook profile. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can lock your Facebook profile. For that, you just have to open up the Facebook application, in which after opening up your Facebook application, you have to tap on the right side of the screen where there are three lines or bars appearing. Afterwards, you have to go down in the settings in the privacy, where you have to click or tap on that settings option. Afterwards, you have to come down towards profile locking, where you are going to see your profile as a locked one. Uh, my profile is already locked, so I would unlock my profile so that I can lock it later. So this is my profile. I would click on these three dot bars. Afterwards, I would click or tap on that lock profile option. After locking those profile, there's a page appearing, lock your profile. I'll tap on it. Hence, my profile or account would be logged. And now this notification is also appeared, in which it is stating that your profile has been logged. So I would tap OK. And this is how you do it. It is very easy. I hope you get the video. Don't forget to give the like button a thumbs up, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.